Blizzard warning. Issued at Wednesday 12:03 p.m. January 8, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. A blizzard is expected. When? Now to this evening. Where? Dempster Highway near the Richardson Mountains. Hazards. Easterly winds of 60 km per hour gusting to 80. Visibility reduced to near zero. Wind chill near -45. Frostbite in minutes. Remarks. Winds of 60 km per hour gusting to 80 near the Richardson Mountains will pick up loose snow, resulting in blizzard conditions today, with visibility frequently near zero in blowing snow. Conditions will improve on this evening as the winds ease. Hashtag. Travel is expected to be very difficult or impossible due to near-zero visibility. Road closures are possible. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to whitestorm@ecgc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag #YTStorm. Recommended action. If you become stranded in a vehicle, do not leave. The vehicle offers a form of protection from the cold. A single person walking through the snow is harder to find than a stranded car or truck. Public Safety Canada encourages everyone to make an emergency plan and get an emergency kit with drinking water, food, medicine, a first aid kit, and a flashlight.